Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Director Jong ka Directorate Food Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs ka Saluni Verma. Kala pensyai begitu ki bomyo cylinder ne Tyndong Lyer Shet kadai Namar bakimpat le ya ka EKYC bat gawe kadai bagi hab ban shimbyang hado dakut ka Safusan Sngi na ka ba kila shim kat kum ka jingutha ka Sarkar India kum ta lada kampat kut ka Safusan Sngi kimla ban yo. Kalong bagajing penyat yo tu bat kajing shim lepa shibun ki Tyndong Lyer Shet hagajila kampat don katkum ka kai pot belapit banyak de ka Directorate Food Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs bat ka OMC IOCL. Kalong bana ki hajar tali ki cylinder baki yo kumba nyospa hendrup ho tali lepanan kam tang ha East Khasi Hills bat na kini lepanan kam bon pha ki jaka jungok kai ki hospital bat ki jaka puli kumta kalong bana kaliang katnat bat ka OMC bat IOCL ru kila pentik na ban penbet ya gani ka jing ban penbyang Tyndong Lyer Shet ya baro ki badan kam hagajila shu kalong balapit banya ya gani man ka Sngi de district committee bekentup ki deputy commissioner ki rangba shnong ki pulit ki baju ai ka kai phot shakatnat man ka Sngi bat na kaliang katnat habara yo ka kai phot ka sapha shaka sarkar India kalakan turu kino ki badan jing kila ban pentep hau number iway khandai handu hanyo but her WhatsApp number khandai saw not arlai ar hanyo lai hanyo kalong ba kino ki basha pha dor palat haginong samgas ki de ban pentep hagini ki number khnang ba katnat kantep bat kan le ya ka badan kam
Black marketing, from what we have been able to assess, and this is assessment at two levels. One is at the directorate level, which is the department level. We have a network of sub-inspectors and inspectors, and others at the OMC level, which is primarily IOCL for Meghalaya. We have seen that reports of black marketing and hoarding for Meghalaya are negligible, close to nil. However, and that is because here two things have been done very consistently. One is that this EKYC is being implemented in full letter and spirit to ensure this black marketing does not happen, right? When you do EKYC, then only you can get your cylinder. Nobody else can get what is yours. So that's the first step, this EKYC and DSC system to ensure there's no black marketing. And secondly, what I've also been told by the OMC, IOCL, since they also have their foot soldiers, seeing what's happening, at the commercial level, in our state, most commercial beneficiaries are using commercial cylinders only. They have been able to enforce that so that, domestic cylinders are not wrongfully being diverted for commercial reasons. So I think those are the two responses I can give you.
So how do you ensure a person
So firstly, I think that we have not seen yet any such concrete report that somebody booked for 3 weeks and it's not getting. That's not possible. I'll tell you what is happening. Either that person has not done their EKYC, as a reason their DAC is not being generated, and hence they have to wait. That's one. Number two, yes, Government of India has made this rule that now the duration between your last refill and now has to be 45 days. So now, unless 45 days pass, unfortunately, you cannot get a new refill. So those are the only reasons why somebody is not getting. It's not as if, 3 weeks somebody is waiting. I would, again, refrain from, making such generalizing statements because that's not really true. And if it is, we would love to, look into it. We will definitely solve it. So I would request some details of these particular cases and we will promptly solve it. So as per my understanding, and this is the department's understanding, out of the 1,000 commercial cylinders that we get, around 750 are used just for East Khasi Hills. And this is the great chunk of tourism and hospitality and so on and so forth. And like I already mentioned, given that East Khasi Hills only needs 750, as a state we've been getting 300 and 400. So I'm sure that there are adverse impacts of this. Having said that, in our conversation with IOCL and with OMCs, we've been told that they are trying their best to manage demands in the sense, coordinating with education institutions and hospitals to ensure that yours is 100%, but still, let's see how much we can prioritize our tourism also. So it's a fine line, it's a developing situation, it's a tightrope. We have not personally been apprised of these shutdowns, so we don't have that data yet to answer you very clearly, but rest assured that we are definitely doing our 100% to ensure that from what we have, please appreciate this is a developing situation. So from what we have, we are trying our best to give as much as we can to as many.
And how do you
There are well-oiled, mechanisms which work not just vertically but also horizontally. What that means is that, let's say, Government of India has given a direction. So we instantly activate our district level committees, right? Where the deputy commissioner, who has their hands and their arms and their ears on the ground, eyes and ears on the ground, they're getting information from all sources, from all places. They enjoy a certain legitimacy. They are activating our fair price shop level vigilance committees, our Rangbash longs, who are constantly feeding all information to deputy commissioners. In that committee, you also have representatives from the police, from other educational institutions, so on and so forth. So that is a very active and vibrant committee which is meeting almost every day. We are getting daily reports from those committees and we are mandated to transmit them to the Government of India. And similarly, at our level, since this is a special situation, we have activated all ends as needed. It's a multi-departmental cooperation that is happening, and rest assured that we have good connections, in fact very good communication with the oil marketing companies. So whatever directions are needed, we are implementing them with full gusto.
any phone numbers?
1967. So anybody who's having any issues with anything at all regarding this LPG crisis, they can call toll-free number 1967. There's also a WhatsApp number that is 9402 327737. So these numbers are there. Anybody who has any issues can reach out.
Ma'am, there's also. So has the department looked into these matters also?
Okay, so I think you just came, but what I told was that indeed in commercial LPG there is a shortage. We can't deny that, we cannot say that that's not happening, that is true. As for what the specific instance you are claiming, unfortunately I do not have any information of this. So I would urge you, I would request you, in fact this very customer who has had to pay this exorbitant price, I just mentioned two numbers. Immediately if they can just call us, give us some details, who is the distributor who is charging them this much money, what date, then we can look into it. But without details, I'm sorry, I cannot comment.
Is there any impact?